From a $5,000 investment to almost 100K in 2.5 years. That sounds too good to be true? This is what yieldnodes claim on their website. Taking this chart, they even outperformed Bitcoin in the last 2 years if you would have reinvested your profits. In this video, we'll have a closer look at yieldnodes, what I like and don't like about the product. Yieldnodes invest money in different masternodes. By verifying transactions, they are rewarded with crypto, and since masternodes require more shares, the rewards are also higher than on a regular node. I was very skeptical when I looked at yieldnodes, and the poorly designed website didn't help. What gave me more confidence is that they have been operating since 2019 with an impressive track record. The user interface doesn't look as bad as the website, but most things are handled manually and therefore take more time. For example, the KYC, where you have to upload 3 documents, took me around 2 days to get verified. You can check the profits from the past weeks in your account and the numbers look great, but is it legit? People have audited yieldnodes and there are many testimonials, but I wouldn't give too much about this because I have a friend in the e-commerce business and I know that all of his reviews are fake. But I'm not saying that the same goes for yieldnodes. If you want to deposit crypto, you can choose between Bitcoin and USDT. I'm glad that they use the Tron network for USDT, cheaper fees than on Ethereum. Let me generate my address and make a small deposit. I sent over 2000 USDT and now I have 1900 euro pending. It takes around 1 week for the funds to be activated, but that's alright. The next part is probably more important. If you deposit funds into the platform, they are locked for 6 months. So make sure you have this money to spare. There is an emergency withdrawal option, but they charge a high fee for it. That was why I had to think twice before investing, because 6 months is a long time. On the other hand, you have to decide what to do with your money, and if you don't invest it, you're guaranteed to lose money due to inflation. I'm not saying to put all your money into one project. Yieldnodes is definitely one of the riskier ones, so I only put in a small amount of my portfolio, but I think it's one of the few investments that will do well during a bear market. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and in the next video I will show you a simple trick to save money that you might not been aware of. Thanks for watching.